My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you a easy binary option strategy that can help you to make profitable trades for lifelong. And this is the exact strategy that have helped me to achieve up to 100% win rate. And I am exactly going to show you that video when I achieve that 100% win rate. Okay, so keep on watching this video without skipping. And most interesting part is like I have not used any indicator for this strategy. And previously I have made a video about this strategy but with different candle time frame and different trading time frame. But in this video we are going to use different candle time frame and different trading time frame. Okay, and the strategy is extremely simple. Okay, let me explain it to you. Firstly, you just put all of this currency pair favorite that has 92% payout. Okay, so that you can earn more. Okay, and then make this candlestick time frame as 30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Now if it is flag, make it clock and select as 30. Okay, and then again make it flag and select plus as 30. Okay, that in that way, if you made trade when the candle is about to close in 10 seconds, then you will make the trade of 10 seconds, not 30 seconds. Okay, that's why you need to do this. It is extremely important. And decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then the strategy is extremely simple. Okay, you will have a clear understanding on when exactly you need to enter the market. So let's say you are in this currency pair right now. Now you just move to this currency pair, and wherever this candle is going in the short term trend, it is uptrend, make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, because the short term of the short term trend of this candle is green, I mean higher. Okay, that's why you need to make trade in that direction only. As you know, trend is our friend, so that's why here you can see you could have gone right in this trade if you had done that. Okay, because this trade candle have closed and you could have made trade by clicking on higher before, and you could also make profit in this candle. Okay, similarly, once this trade is closed, again go to another candle. Okay, and see what's the short term trend. It is uptrend, just make trade by clicking on higher here. Okay, similarly, once this candle closes, then simply go to another and see where the candle is going. It is green, again go in higher. Similarly, once it close, go to another candle and make a trade by clicking on higher. Now it might be a little bit confusing if I just keep on explaining in this way, but now what I will do is I will keep quiet and show you the exact video that I have recorded while I have achieved 100% win rate by using this exact strategy. Okay, now I want you to like this video. Okay, and another important thing, if you want some free binary signal to trade binary options in a profitable way, then do join my Telegram channel. And just because I have achieved the 100% win rate, that doesn't mean you will also achieve the 100% win rate. But what the thing is, like, you can achieve like 80% win rate, 90% win rate. So what I would suggest you is make 5 trade in one set. Okay, in that way, if you made 3 trade win, 2 trade is lost, then also you are in profit. If you made 4 trade win and 1 trade is lost, then also you are in profit. Okay, in that way you can trade. Make one set equals to 5 trade. Okay, only make 5 trade in one set. And another important thing, firstly, when you trade in real account, before trading in real account, trade with this strategy in your demo account. Okay, and at the real time, if this strategy is working at that real time, then only use it in your real account. Okay, no any strategy, no any indicator works for the 100% of the time. So that's why you need to use your conscious mind to find out that strategy, that indicator that works at that very real time when you are trading in your real account. So the best way to do that is by trading in demo account. So now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video.